salamat and thank you for coming. Again, salamat sa lahat ng tulong. Naging very successful yung event natin. And then, yeah, discuss ko lang konti itong program natin at yung sequence ng mga mangyayari. Katambays, distinguished guests, on behalf of the officers of Pinoy Transit Tambayan Crew, we welcome you to our annual Christmas party. We are formed July of 2017 with the vision of uniting subway maintenance workers that share the same passion, dedication, and commitment towards a strong and solid camaraderie which aims to promote friendship and provide assistance to any katambay in need.
Thank you. Please all arise. Let's bow our head and close our eyes for the blessings of our food. Hallelujah. Father God, we thank you so much that we are all here gathered and to celebrate these special occasions. I pray for the food as a sign of your blessings that about us to partake. May it gives nutrition to our physical body. In Jesus' name, amen.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. Holly jolly, follow Christmas to you. The holidays are once again upon us, taking it all in. Favorite season. So have a cup of joy and let your light shine, coming like little ones.
Merry Christmas.
Everyone's welcome.